Good afternoon, all. CamelbackTrading.org coming to you this Tuesday afternoon, November 22nd. We are looking at Window Traders market profile here of the ES and SPY. I'll tell you what. Well, first off, I gave away my day. So, I'm not happy, but I'm not totally upset because in the past I would have gotten really stubborn and gave away my day and then gone down big. I'm surprised at how we turned a slow grind up into a triple distribution day. I'm going to ask a favor of all my listeners out there. ES one time framed up the entire day. H took out G's low by only one tick, which does not stop the one-time framing. So I'm curious if any of you statisticians out there, A, when is the last time we one-time framed up or down an entire day like ES did? And number two, do you have the percentages of that? It's got to be under 5%. SPY actually took out G's low by 2 cents. So they technically stopped the one-time framing. But this was an incredible strong grind. However, we were 7 out of 8 wide at one point, and I did very well on my shorts. And by the way, I bought the low of the day, or just about. I bought it 3 ticks above the low of the day. That was my only long of the day. I thought, I was shorting the highs. I was getting paid on all of them. I was having a very good day. What I did, though, to get me in trouble is when H did come down, I thought we were going to finally get below the 144 and at least get a little bit of a flush to shake out weak longs. I took a 3 lot, I think at around 85.50. It went up. I added a size lot at 96, I think. Actually made a little money on those, on some of them. Then it went back up, took it off, so I gave back money there. And then again in J, I did same thing, gave back because I really didn't think this trend day would hold. Not only did it hold, we get a price probe and a triple distribution day on horrible volume, 53 million. Qs go out, price probe, triple distribution day, and an outside day up. Look what triple Qs did today, sports fans. They took out their balance low on the daily, stretched it just a little, only to have an outside day up. So they're firmly in balance still on the daily. Russell couldn't get anything going until they finally go, trend up late and price probe and have an afternoon pullback. I am calling the daily up now in the SPY and ES. So I'm not going to go over all my trades. I had a very successful morning into early afternoon with all these shorts because each short kept going back until, like I said, an H period when I got myself in trouble and compounded it. So basically I ended flat on the day. Not a disaster, but I gave back, I'm going to say close to $2,000. So that's a little frustrating. As far as destinations, today on the upside, we have today's high of 400.07. And then we have the weekly high of 402.31. Downside, price probe 399.54. Single prints 399.33 to 01. Second set, 398.82 to 74. And the third set, 398.14 to 397.89. Afternoon pullback low of 397.33. And today's low of 395.15. ES, 12.50 is the high. Then we have 39 weekly high. And by the way, above those weekly highs, we have that huge gap. And then on the downside, we have 07 is the price probe, 0450 to 0175, one set of singles, 9950 to 9875, 9275 to 9050 is the third set, 8450 is your afternoon pullback low, and 6275 is today's daily low. And then just quickly on the chart. Now, don't forget, tomorrow you have some numbers out at 9:45 and 10, and then the Fed minutes at 2 p.m. My thesis was, we'll test the balance high, maybe stretch it, but wait for the Fed minutes to see if we want to start really going up on the daily and maybe getting a good push towards that gap. So I maybe gotten too focused and thought too much rather than just trading what became in front of me, especially from H period on. Here's your daily. It was a 3-day balance. To me, it's coming out of it. I'm calling the daily up. So the monthly's balance, weekly is up, daily is up. Okay? Next stop would be this daily high, and then the gap and the 50-day, 200-day moving average, which is at 405.50. 30, which is right below where that huge gap fills. Hope you had a good day trading. Thanks for the likes and subscribing. Have a great evening, and we'll speak prior to the opening tomorrow.